we call it kind of a work area where my sons can come home and weld whatever they want to weld and work out here. When you get in here, it's no wind, no snow, no rain. When we come in here to work, we got a place to do it out of the weather, and you can calve out cows in here. That was the reason for the whole thing. I built the whole thing so that we could open everything in there. If we come a big blizzard or something, we can put every cow we own and every horse we own right in here.